Let's look at how to simplify scheduling in Microsoft Outlook by sharing your calendar by email. When you are coordinating schedules with people outside of your organization, it may be helpful to share your calendar. This can be a big time saver versus the back and forth of trying to find dates and times that work for everyone. To insert your calendar into a message, first start with a new message or reply to an email. For this email from Hayden looking for my availability, I'll choose Reply, create the content for your message or reply, and then to add your calendar, pick Insert, Calendar, and then we'll customize how we want the calendar to look. So for instance, the date range. Here I'll pick just the next 7 days, although you can specify a date range. In addition, pick the level of detail that you want to provide. By default, this is just availability only. However, you can share some limited details, or in some cases, the full details of what you have in your calendar. Optionally, you can limit what you share to your working hours. This is a setting that's in the calendar options. The default is 8 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. To customize your personal working hours, simply pick the Set Working Hours option here. The advanced options only apply if you are sharing a calendar with limited details or full details. Once you've selected your options, pick OK, and your calendar is inserted into the message. In addition to your calendar, the recipient will see these hyperlinks to the available dates. And that gives them the option to go directly to a date that fits within their availability. Now, it's good to keep in mind that the calendar is not dynamic or linked, and so the recipient won't see any changes to your calendar after you've sent it. How much time will you save by using this quick trick to share your calendar? For another option to be able to share your availability, check out the video in this channel on the FindTime add-in for Outlook, which also gives you another way to customize or narrow down options when you want to set up a meeting. For more tips on being productive with Microsoft Outlook or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/Outlook. If this training was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.